Today I'm going to show you these letters. It's the letter C and letter K. So, do you know letter C and letter K say the same sound? So we have to say it one time. C says k, 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 and K also says k, k, k. So we go to say it one time. So like this. Back, back. So you see, so I read it one time. Okay? So I want to say this. When you see CK in the end of the word, you circle it because it's special. Okay?
Okay.
Now, do you see here? It's a double. It's a double consonant. When you also say one time, like C and K. But you can say the same sound like these two because it's a O and O. So there are two L's, so they are all together. So you just say and then you fill this in here. So you read the L for me, please.
O.
That's right. So O, and another one back there is a double F.
Okay.
Okay. So it's the same, but the letters different. But they copy each other because they say the same sound. And they are not the same sound, but the letters are the same. The letters are the same, but this reading is not the same, but it's the same sound. So we just say one time.
Okay.
Bye bye.
Thank you.